4:30 Monday morning. You're going to hear all kinds of crazy shit today. The Olympics, the political stuff, all that stuff, right? We already know it. Does it surprise you? No. Why would it surprise you? It gets worse and worse and worse. Does it seem like it does? Of course it does. Does it seem like there's an attack on Christianity? Absolutely there is. Are you surprised? It's going to get worse. So you can spend all day upset about it. You can spend all day fighting on social media about it, or you can do what you can do. You can work on your business, you can work on your fitness, you can work on your relationships, you can work on your family, have a family. If you don't have a family, you have nothing that's going to carry on anything that you have built if you don't have men with your last name. That's the fact of it. It doesn't matter if it's a daughter. If you don't have men with your last name is not going to continue throughout history. So everything that you've put all your time and your life and your sweat and your toil into, it's going to cease right then. It's not going to continue, right? You can't control the Olympics. What you can control is what this is doing is you're seeing a lot of fighting on social media. And if you pay attention to your local social media groups, you will see which side people are on. It wasn't the Last Supper. It's just some models, doing a model walk. Well, it's very clear who believes what. So maybe you don't want to spend your money with those people that have that narrative and that line, and that's how they view it. Do they believe it? I don't know if they actually believe it or not, or they're just fucking protecting their thing, right? That's their religion, that craziness. What you can do is you can work on you, and you can decide where you spend your money. Don't give your money to them. That's that simple. It's very evident who believes what, and it's very evident, if you want to, where your money goes to. I'm not talking big corporations. I'm talking small, little individual people within your community. They are showing their true colors right now. I'm going to go work out. You guys have a good day. Do something you can do.